In this video, I'll show you how to embed a video into your Mailchimp email campaign to make your emails more engaging. Start by logging into Mailchimp and going to the Campaigns tab. Open the campaign you want to edit, then click Edit Design. Inside the editor, look for the video content block. Drag and drop it into your email where you'd like the video to appear. Next, paste your video link, whether from YouTube, Vimeo, or another supported platform, into the URL field. Mailchimp will automatically generate a clickable thumbnail image. When subscribers click it, they'll be redirected to your video. This method ensures smooth playback since most email clients don't support direct video streaming. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a video in your Mailchimp email. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Mailchimp tips.